So this is GODO Manufacturing.
Yeah, this is the GODO Manufacturing.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How are you, sir?
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Fantastic.
So, same, thank you.
Yeah.
What kind of company is GODO?
Actually, GODO Pumps is the leading manufacturer of diaphragm pumps in China. We have more than 30 years production experience. We have this GODO Manufacturing is established since the 1990s, and we are specialized in diaphragm pumps such as pneumatic diaphragm pumps and electrical diaphragm pumps, and we also have sanitary diaphragm pumps, food grade sanitary diaphragm pumps, and we also provide sanitary powder pumps, and we have also other series like self-priming pump and magnetic driving pump, and our factory is near Shanghai, located in Jiaxing province, and this Jiaxing city, Zhejiang province, which near Shanghai. Only if by high-speed train from Shanghai Hongqiao Airport to our factory, only half an hour distance.
Oh wow, that's close.
Yes.
Is there a main product you want to show us?
Yes, this is our main product.
Could you show us?
This one is this one pump material is the engineering plastic, and this pump body material is engineering. It means PP.
Yeah.
Okay, and inside the diaphragm material is the sanitary plastic film, and this one the flow rate can reach 116 liter per minute.
Oh wow, that's a lot.
And the suction height is 5 meter, and the discharge height is around 84 meters.
Wow.
And this one is the this one pump material have two parts, because the inside is have one interlining. This interlining the material is the PVDF, and the outside is the aluminum alloy structure. And this kind of pump can transfer the strong acid and some corrosive materials.
Yeah, different materials.
Yes.
And how about this one?
And this one is material is the stainless steel 304. Actually, we also have stainless steel 304, 316, and 316L. It's 316L, 316 is a food grade stainless steel, and this one is for the chemical industry.
Chemical industry.
Yeah. And this one is the material is cast steel.
Cast iron.
Yeah, cast iron. Yes.
Yeah.
And this one, the material is the pump material is cast iron, and the diaphragm material is the sanitary plastic film. And this one, the pump material is the PP, means engineering plastic.
Yeah.
Inside the pump material, this diaphragm material is sanitary plastic film same. Yeah.
So what can we produce in this one? What can we flow through?
This flow rate.
Flow rate.
This one flow rate is 57 liter per minute.
Oh wow.
Oh, I think it's not bad.
Yeah. I think it's good.
Our brand is the GODO brand.
Yeah.
Actually, we have export to more than 50 countries and regions nowadays. And in the next 3 years, our company going to IPO in next 3 years.
Wow.
Yes.
Impressive.
Yes, and our factories, the plant size is around 27,000 square meters.
Wow, that's a lot.
Now is a new building is a construction running. Then we have after I think end of this year, this construction will be complete. Then our factory will be double.
Wow, impressive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you for visiting us.
Yeah. Good luck.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Bye.